Most important topics from the section on education, highly important not only for UPSC but also for your UGC NET contemporary topics. So the first one is under the new education policy, National Curriculum Framework 25 has been brought, which brings in revised framework for secondary education, bringing in more flexibility to take subjects across the streams from science, arts and commerce. The next is Swayam Plus. Now this is the expansion of the MOOC platforms, and it includes the courses which have been designed by industry leaders like Microsoft, L&T, and brings in better chances for employability. Under this, we also have the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, which talks about skill enhancement, the PM E-Vidya, PM Usha, which is the Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, which focuses on the state higher education institutions to bring in equity and excellence. Then we have the APAR ID, which focuses on one nation, one student, a common ID which would help in progress, transfer of credits, degree, which would be provided digitally through the ABC, that is the Academic Bank of Credit. Also important one is the Project Safal, very important for this time. Now Project Safal is a diagnostic assessment for class 3, class 5 and class 8, and through this the foundational literacy and numeracy would be understood. So basically math and English has been the focus under this concept. So those are some of the important aspects that have been covered under the education. We will be covering more interesting topics. Stay tuned.